In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Wix website. Whether you're expanding your site to include more information, showcasing new products or services, or simply wanting to enhance your online presence, adding pages is a vital skill for making your website stand out and serve your needs better. So let's get started. First, we need to ensure you're logged into Chrome and navigated to your Wix dashboard. If you're not already in Chrome, go ahead and open the browser. From there, log into your Wix account and access your dashboard. Your dashboard is your control center, where you have access to all the different editing tools you'll use to customize your website. Once you're comfortably in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the majority of your navigational tools and editing options. Locate the option labeled Menus and Pages. This section is crucial, as it manages how visitors navigate through your website. Clicking on it will display all the pages that currently make up your site. After you've clicked Menus and Pages, look towards the bottom of this panel. You should see an option to plus add page. Clicking this will open up an interface that allows you to seamlessly integrate a new page into your website structure. Now comes the fun part, naming your new page. When you think about this, consider the purpose of the page and what content it will hold. Is it a blog section, a gallery showcasing your work, or perhaps a contact page? Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and type it in, then click Done. It's that simple to create an entirely new space on your site, but we're not finished yet. After creating this page, you'll want to customize it to fit the style and functionality of your website. Wix gives you an abundance of tools to work with. Think about what elements you want to include. You might add text boxes to convey information, image galleries to showcase visuals, or even contact forms if you want visitors to reach out to you directly. Take your time with this step, as this customization will define the visitor's experience on your new page. In conclusion, adding a new page in Wix is straightforward, and with a little creativity, it can greatly enhance the usability and professionalism of your website. Don't forget, each new page is a blank canvas to engage your audience and provide valuable content. I encourage you to experiment with different elements and layouts until you're satisfied with the result. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in expanding your website on Wix.